Namaste, good evening, friends. The news has been headlined from the last week. The news is that cabinet ministers have been reshuffled. Now you might be thinking it's been reshuffled, then what is the great news in that? The great news in that is the farm laws has been, snatched off from the state. The cooperative society has been also snatching from the state. The Modi government the last week has been announced that there's been new ministries being going to handle the cooperative society. That is the Ministry of Cooperation. You might be thinking it's really a good news. So why the cooperative is sinking? I want you to think twice what I'm trying to say. The same what happened in PSU, the same what happened with the bank which has been privatized, the farm laws has been suffering, the same position will suffer by this from the state now onwards, because the cooperative society is being the base of the state. The state is being developing due to the cooperative society. As I'll give you the famous example, Amul has been producing an annual turnover of 38,000 crore annually. Since this law has been implemented by the British government in the year 1904, the new law has been implemented in British India, that was Cooperative Credit Society. And in the year 1919, Montagu and Chelmsford made a reform, and all the power were given to the province, that is to the state. Now in the year 2021, it's been snatched from the state and the power is given to the central government. During the independence, or you can say after the independence, post-independence, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru ji is being told now and then in the Southeast Asia that cooperative society in India has been the base of India to be developed in each inch of the villages and state, district, rural areas. Now, after a long time, as you know, what's happening in India? The time of Manmohan Singh ji, we were the 7th number in the economy all over the world. Now we are ranking beyond the Pakistan, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. You can't tell it's a pandemic and COVID. Due to that we are facing the same problem isn't faced by all the world, over the world. The second thing I would like to tell you is that in the 1951, 3.1% profit came out from the cooperative society, and in the year 2002 is increased to 27.3%. In the recent time, 5 years back, I would like to tell you that is 31st March 2015, we were having the profit of 3,800 crore in the state level, and in the district it was 783 crore profit from the cooperative society. What they're trying to do is the central government snatching all the power from the state, because in Maharashtra, from where I belong from the Maharashtra. In Maharashtra, the cooperative sector like Shakari Bhandar is being handled by the opposition party, that is by the NCP and Congress. So they want all the power to be snatched off from the Congress party, and they want to rule all the country, all over the India, by the big corporators, that is Adani, Ambani and X and YZ. So the thing is that we need to raise a voice. I know the raising the voice is now unconstitutional in India, but still we need to raise the voice that Ambedkar ji has written in the constitution under article 19 that we have the freedom of speech. So we need to raise our voice now and then. And the most important part I would like to tell you is that cooperative society is not just the society, it's the base, and lifeline of the state. So we need to talk about it. I know the power is under the Modi government, there'll be a deaf same like as a farm law, but still we can't stop raising a voice. Namaste, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.